Fedora Silverblue and Fedora Workstation serve different user needs. Silverblue is an immutable operating system focused on stability and atomic updates, while Workstation provides a conventional, mutable desktop experience. The core difference lies in system management and update methods. Fedora Silverblue is an immutable desktop operating system built around container-focused workflows. Instead of traditional package management, Silverblue uses OSTree to deliver atomic image-based system updates that are reliable and reversible. This design minimizes system corruption risks and enhances stability. Applications and development tools run in containers or Flatpaks, isolating them from the core system. This approach makes Silverblue ideal for developers, testers, and users who prioritize system consistency and security. However, the immutable nature limits direct system modifications, which may be challenging for those needing custom configurations or frequent system tweaks. Silverblue excels in environments where reproducibility and rollback capabilities are essential, offering a modern take on Linux desktop management. Fedora Workstation is a traditional Linux desktop designed for general users and developers who want a flexible and customizable environment. It uses the standard RPM package management system, allowing users to install, update, and remove software easily. This mutable system provides full control over the operating system, making it suitable for users who need to tailor their setups with diverse software and configurations. Workstation features the GNOME desktop by default, delivering a polished, user-friendly interface. While updates are incremental and can sometimes lead to dependency conflicts, the system is well supported and widely adopted. Fedora Workstation is perfect for users who want a robust, adaptable Linux desktop without the constraints of an immutable system. Fedora Silverblue and Workstation offer distinct experiences. Silverblue's immutable design ensures stability and easy rollback, perfect for container-based workflows and security-focused users. It limits traditional package installation, which can restrict customization. Workstation offers full system control with traditional package management, ideal for users needing flexibility and broad software compatibility. For developers working with containers or those wanting a consistent environment, Silverblue shines. For desktop users wanting a familiar Linux experience with extensive customization, Workstation is preferable. The trade-off is between stability and immutability versus flexibility and control. Choose Fedora Silverblue if you prioritize system stability, atomic updates, and container-based workflows with minimal risk of system breakage. Fedora Workstation is recommended for users who want a traditional Linux desktop with full control and customization options. It's ideal for developers and general users seeking a flexible, well-supported environment. Both versions serve different needs, so pick the one that fits your workflow